Student in my math class. Today we are finding out the square root by long division method. So let us start. Firstly we could find out the square root of 4096. To finding out the square root of 4096, write down here and making the pair from the unit place. First pair is 96, another pair is 40, and draw the factor line. As usual we use in the division. First pair is 40, second pair is 96. It means we have appeared the two pair. It means the answer of the square root of 4096 will come in 2 digit. So we could find out the perfect square of those numbers which is less than 40. Just check it out. The 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. Then 7 is perfect square becomes 49, becomes more than 40. It means this division will go with 6. And we write here over 6. And 6 6 is 36. We could also write 6 over the left hand side. We could add at left hand side and subtract from right hand side. 40 minus 36 becomes 4. And we could put down the whole pair with 4. Then it becomes the 496. And in the left hand side we could add the 12. 6 plus 6 becomes 12. We could leave the some space because we could want some digit to division of 496 by 12. So we could see what is the actual digit. So we could try 3. It becomes 123. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 1 is 3. It is more less than 496. Let us solve with 124. Multiply with 4. 4 4 is 16. Carry over 1. 4 2 is 8. Carry 9. 4 1 is 4. Oh, it is equal to actual 496. So we put here 496 and mention 4 over here. And generally we know in left hand we could add addition and right side we could subtraction. 6 minus 6 becomes nil, 9 minus becomes nil, 4 minus 4 becomes nil, and here addition is 128. So we could see that the square root of 4096 becomes 64. Let us solve some another square root of 30976. In the same process, we could write here 30976. Firstly, we could make the pair from the unit place. First pair is 76, another pair is 09, and single pair is 3. So, we could draw the division line and find out the perfect square less than 3. So 2 2 is 4, which is more than 3. So the division will go only 1 times. 1 1 is 1. Here we could subtract and here we could add 1 1 2. In the left side we could leave the some space after addition. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. We could drop the pair, second pair 0 9, and it becomes the 209. We could here put some digit over here. Let us check. If we calculate with 27, multiply with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9 carry over 4. 7 twos are 14 plus 4 189. Okay. Let us try some other number with 8. It becomes 28 multiply with 8. 8 8 are 64. 6 carry over 6. 8 2 is 16. 16 6 22. It means 224 becomes more than 209. It means the division will go with 7. And we could put here 7 and 7 also. 27 into 7 is equal to 189. In the left side we could add and right side we could subtract. 9 0 9. 20 minus 18 is 20. And we could 76 is the another pair, and here is the 7 7 4 and it becomes 3. Let us check with the another number. Let's suppose we could check with the 4. 34 4, it becomes 334. Multiply with 4. 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 is 16, 1 7, 4 12 13. Let us solve with digit 6. 346 with 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 carry 3, 3 7 carry 3 27, 6 3 is 18. Carry 2 becomes 20. It is exactly 2076. It means the division will go with 6. We could put here 2076 and 6 also. In the left side we addition and right side we could do the subtraction. 6 minus 6 becomes 0, 7 minus becomes 0, 0 and 0. And 6 6 12, 2, 4 becomes carry with 5 and 3. And it means the square root of 30976 would become 176. This is your answer. For homework, you could solve these two square root with long division method. 31684. Another one is 40804. Thank you very much.